was going to say right next to my lure, just keeps getting smacked. Yeah. 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 Good morning, Mighty Kikker here. We are heading down Dora Creek. We're starting at the bridge and we're heading back towards the boat ramp. Same just stuff as usual, fishing the edges, trying to catch bream and whatever else that's around. We are currently going with the current. So it's kind of just going to be like a drifting cast. We've got the BFS set up and the 500 set up. So I am going very light today. I don't know if that's going to come back to bite me on the butt, but let's see how we can go. Oh, and George is with us somewhere. Yep. Oh, I've got no drag. Crap. My drag was too loose. Oh. Brand new lure. Come on. Come out. Oh. Brand new lure. Snapped off. You're not going backwards down the creek. But going backwards. Oh. Oh. I'll come off it. Yeah. Is it on? Is it on?
I thought we turned it off. Oh no, I saw red light.
Yeah. Come out of there, you little... I'm coming way out into the middle. I'd say he's a good 20. Go remember, this is the 4 pound setup. Oh, that's probably in the 30s. Yes. After the start that I had, I think I deserved that one. Alright, Profishent cicada, and I don't know what the colour is on that one. Do you remember what the colour is? Green gold, something like that. Oh yeah, he's getting up there 30s. And are we right? Is it 30? Yep, 32. 30 forker, 32. Alright, thank you for coming on board. Have a good day, buddy. There we go. Oh. Yep. I think that was the biggest hit out of all of them. Pardon? Yeah, and I don't use YouTuber drag either. I use MKG drag. I have it on those limits of... No, he's only probably in that mid-20s, but... Alright. Under the mouth. I only just hooked him, really. That pretty much fell out then. Oh, he's... I'm saying that 24, 25. What's he? Oh. Oh, he's nearly, you can nearly say he's 27. Look, I'm going to say he's 26 and a half, but I reckon he's a bit close to 27 with a 25 forker. All right, thank you for jumping aboard, buddy. Have a nice day. I'm trying to actually get the hookups today. Oh, that was an awesome cast. Right, yeah. No, I'll turn it back on again. Remember how I said I'm trying, it's only small. He's only small, but I'll get him out of there. He's only like a 17 or something. Mate, how'd you get the whole treble in your mouth? Oh, again, not hooked the best. Oh, he might be, oh, I think he's stretching 20. Did he stretch 20? That is the question. Oh yeah, he's 20 and a half. All right, have a nice day, buddy. Oh, that's a good cast from George. Don't even wind it, just let it sit there and drift across the front of those rocks. Oh. That's another good cast. Oh, yep. 2 casts, 2 bream. Oh, I think he's a bit bigger. Oh no, oh! I said a bit bigger. I don't even know if that was a bream then. I can't see it. The sun's in my eyes. Oh yeah, it's definitely a Brimbo. Oh, he's a bit bigger than the last one. He's a solid bream. That's a 30. There we go. That's that Profishent lure again. That's gonna be popping up a lot in this video. George has saved the day. Is this the biggest of the day? Oh, another that 31 in a bit. Thank you for jumping aboard. Have a nice day, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful. Hey, ducky, ducky, duckies. Oh! Oh! He was on. Oh, that sun. As lovely and warm as it is, I can't see. Oh. Oh! Took it down, let it go. Have a look at this for snagged. The trebles have crossed on either side of the branch and linked arms. Like, if I didn't film that, you would not believe me that I did it. I'm coming to show George. Oh, come on. You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Pathetic hits. You're getting closer to it. Come on. I'm up to about 8 hits. And misses. Especially when it's cold. Oh, oh. Come on. Come on. I've got a bad feeling about this. Come on. Turn the camera off, get a hook up. Pardon? He's not that big, I don't think. I'd say 20. Pardon? Yeah, no, he's definitely 20. Yeah. And let's go. He definitely wasn't coming off. Then again, he might have. That came out so easy. Oh, I'm behind you. The black Profishent cicada. The old style. My call was about 20. George reckons under 20. My call is, and it's 24. He's got a really long tail. All right, thanks for coming aboard, mate. Have a good day. Oh. Oh, yep. Get him away from everywhere. He's not that big, I don't think. Alright, got him out. Got him out into the open. Oh, he's not that big at all. I don't even really need the net. And he's hooked himself really well. He's probably one of those 20s. When they've got that hook in that side bit. just in case. Yep, there he goes. He was about 20. Come on, Big Bream, come out and hit this cicada sitting next to this boat. I'd freak out right now if I seen it just come out of nowhere and just grab it and run and then spit. I'd be like, yeah, fucking George! Oh, come on. Yep. No. It did exactly what you said. Wow. That was not very nice, George. It's not like I'd said anything mean to you. Cool. There goes Mr. Pelly. Oh. Pardon? I'm trying to turn. He's legal. Well, I think he's legal. Got him. Got him, got him, got him. Not the biggest of the day. Oh, that's... Oh, Jesus. Oh, by the way, black Profishent cicada. Doing the job today. This one's got the camel. Oh! This one's got the camelback syndrome. Oh, yeah. Well, some would claim 28, but I'm going to say 27 and a half. Thank you for coming aboard. Have a good day. All right, we are floating around with cicada on the BFS. We're fishing the other side now. But we got the little Daiwa Kikker and the Daiwa thingamajig on. We're going to throw these under some of these trees, and so close to getting a bream on a frog. I think I'm going to have to put some assist hooks on it. Oh. That was such a big hit. Is that you in that? No. I don't even know where you are. Oh, there you are. Oh, I'm going to drag mine right near yours and see if you get hit. You should have just left it there, George. No, they're grabbing the legs and just pulling the legs down. They're pretty much pantsing me every time. That's why I said oh, do I have assist hooks? I've got an idea, George. I think I've got assist hooks on one of my cicadas. It's going to push me into... Oh. No, don't. Aha. I do have assist hooks. What I've done is I've hooked up a couple of little assist hooks onto the rear tail, but not too far down. I think I need them further down. Oh. Yep. Got it. Got it on the frog. And I think it's on the normal hook. Oh no, it's on the assist. Yep. Celebration time. Do you know what the best bit about this is? I just showed on video how I rigged it, casted it and got it. Thanks, man. Oh. Oh, please tell me I was recording. So, the Daiwa, oh, it's absolutely ripped it out. Let's get this guy in the water first. Definitely on the assist hook. I'll show you that in a second. But he's going probably 23, 24. Alright, have a good day, buddy. Thank you for coming. Alright, so what I did was use your weedless. I put assist hooks on it, and it's all I've got at the moment, so I didn't even really tie them up properly. So what I did was I did that. I did this bit first. So you put your normal weedless hook in. Drops down, and then you get these little tails. And I pretty much pulled them as far back as I could. I'm just going to try and show this, not that I can see it. So yeah, so normal hook to your assist hook split ring, and then ram them into the tail so they come out the top of the tail. It's not fully weedless, but I would say it because of the way the frog lure is, the tails kind of sit below the main body of the frog. So because they sit below the main body of the frog, it helps with making it weedless. But that's awesome. Hit, 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 hit. Wow. It's like, oh. Oh. Come on, where? Oh, big. Oh! You are kidding. Going for flatty. Oh, come on. Oh, I swear there would have been one in there. Oh! Brain stuff with me. Oh, that was a good hit. Oh! Another bream on the frog. Yep. Another bream on those cyst hooks of the frog. Got one out. Got two out. Not going to the measure, but he'll be about 23, 24. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day. Oh. Oh, yeah. Come on, out, buddy, out. Out, you're a bigger model. You're a 30 at least. Oh. Oh. Please, stay on, buddy, stay on. Oh no. Oh, bad net job, but got him. He got the main hook. I'd say he's cracking. I'd like to say he's cracking 30. Oh, he's like 29 and a half. Yeah, look. Oh, I can't even get him out. Can't even get him off the hook. Oh, yeah, that was it, the main hook. So when they're 30, just slow wind it across the top. Alright, have a nice day, thank you for coming. Third time lucky, or is it not a fluke anymore? Alright, have a good day, buddy. Oh, it's a huge one. Well, that really proves that the assist hooks work. Oh, just keep. George just had a nice big splash next to his. Oh. Anyone wondering, my fingers aren't the best. There we go, the froggy again. This is Talk. He's trying to defecate. Have a good day, buddy. Alrighty, just heading in. What an interesting day. Started off with the cicadas in the morning, flicking down one side of Dora Creek, and we finished off using the Daiwa Kikker frogs with my little concept of putting the assist hooks into it. Probably not the most reliable way of doing it, but at that point of time, that's all I had. So don't know if I'd change it up, to be honest, because it worked. So there we have it. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Have a good day.